Hey guys, welcome to my scrappiness. Hey guys, it's me again. So still working on Christmas in July layouts here. Again, another one pager. This time I'm using ice crystals from Recollections. It's a Michael's brand. I bought this around October, November of last year, and I am going to work on this paper pad, and off this paper pad I pulled this papers to work with. That's one, and then this one I'm just going to use this part here, and then here's another paper. I'm going to use this embellishment so we have something for journaling. And then of course we have this to be the base paper or for the base of the layout. I'm going to be using the large bracket 3 from the bracket Fun Borders, and also the scallops 3B, which is from the scallops Fun Borders. And then this is going to be a 2-page or a 2-photo layout. I'm going to be using a 4x6 and a 4x4 photo for this layout. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm going to be trimming off this top here. These are extra ½ an inch off the top, so I'm going to cut them down. I'll be right back when I'm done cutting everything. I'm going to be cutting It's the Most Wonderful Time of the Year for the title of this layout. One thing good about this trimmer that I'm using is it has that wire right here. I don't know if you can see the wire. And this is what I use to line what I'm trying to cut down, especially if it's straight. So just cut that down so it comes out almost always straight. So those are going to go on the side, and then I'm going to cut out the element. So I'm going to cut down. We're trying to get this. There you go. I'm putting this on the side. Next thing we're going to do is this I'm going to use with the bracket. And as usual, I'm going to use the tips of the bracket to align at the bottom end or the bottom edge of this paper, so I know that it is straight. And then we're going to use this for the scallop. And this time I'm going to do it on the top because I need to see, it has to go this way because it has to go down. I only want about 1.5 inches, so I'm going to line it to 1.5 inches right there. Now make it 2 inches. I can always trim later. There you go. So I'm gonna go ahead and tack this 2 down because, oh wait, before I do that, I have to ink. I have to turn it over like this so I can see the edges when I put it down. I changed my mind. I'm not going to use this. Instead, I'm going to use a 3x4 photo. So I'm going to leave about an inch and a half down here and an inch and a half up there. So just eyeballing it before I put it down. Okay. So I'm good with this. I'm going to start tacking this down. Photo over here and a photo over there. Okay guys, it's done. So I hope you enjoyed watching me as I go through my process of creating this layout. Please feel free to scrap lift. Make a comment down below if you like this layout. And yes, if you could please subscribe, I'd really appreciate it so I can continue working and doing these layouts for you guys. So you've seen me work on this layout, and hopefully I inspired you, and feel free, like I said, to scrap lift. So that's it guys. Catch you later. Bye.